Very good. Okay. And I appreciate it. I don't know if you just mentioned it, but I know when we were talking before, you had mentioned about it's not recommended that owners go on roofs because it's better to hire a professional because it's a cheap way to prevent problems, right?
Yeah, most people don't need to be walking up on their roof. It's a dangerous place to be, and so we don't recommend that homeowners get up on their roof. We don't recommend that people put Christmas lights on their roof. Um, it's just not a place where you want to be, uh, where you could easily fall off, and falling off a roof is not a fun thing to do.
Yeah, I totally understand that. I had actually another someone I know whose father was actually fell off while he was doing something, and he ended up in the hospital. So it can be dangerous. It can be dangerous. Um,
Most
mention,
most roofers will tell you that they've fallen off too.
oh my. So